Hi, this is Shamim and welcome to Simply Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. Today I'll share how to create a directory submission for your website, and at the same time I will share 15 website AP website provide Dofollow backlink and they instead approve your website. So this video will be very important. Never skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. The first website name is Fruity Directory. Just go in search engine box and write here Fruity Directory. Then you can find out this website. Then you can see here the submit link option are available. Just click here and you can see this box are available. You can give here your title, your website URL, description, your name, your email address, and this box take always blank. Then just click on I am not a robot, then click on continue. Okay, my second website name is onedirectory.org. You can also here is submit link option are available. So from here you can take also directory submission backlink. Okay, you can see here is the box are available. Okay, third website name is abstractdirectory.net. You can see here is also submit link option are available. At first just select your website category from here. Then you can see you can take a directory submission backlink from here. Next website name is upsdirectory.com. You can see here is also submit link option are available. So from here you can take also a directory submission backlink. Next website adddirectory.org. You can add your website from this website. Just click on add site. Then you can see these box are available. You can give your title, URL, description, name, email. Then just click on continue. Okay, activedirectory.net. You can see here is also submit links, so you can also take a directory submission backlink from here. Okay, next website name is dark schema directory. Just go in search engine box and write this name, then find out this website. You can see here is also submit link option are available. Reddit directory. Just search on Google redditdirectory.com, then you can find out this website. Just click on add site, then you can take a directory submission backlink from here. Okay, you can see here is this box are available. Next website ecodar.net. Just go search engine box and write this name, then you can find out this website. SEO optimization directory. You can also take a directory submission backlink from here. You can see here is submit option are available. Okay, next website name is bestbuydiet.com. You can also take a directory submission backlink from here. Okay, next website name is holodirectory.com. You can see here is also submit link are available. atoplace.com. You can take also backlink from this website and they instead approve your backlink. smartseolink.org. You can see here is also add site option are available. So you can take also backlink from this website. You can take directly submission backlink from this all website. So you can collect all backlink list from this video, and they instead approve your backlink. Thanks for watching.